Pero we do our best and we even check kung kumusta na before surgery yung balanse ng patient, kailangan ba ng walker, para sure na po na makakalakad po kayo after surgery. Remember, yung hip replacement po is para siyang papalitan yung gulong ng kotse at ito yung analogy ko. If yung makina ng kotse is may problema, I think na magkakaproblema talaga yung pagtakbo ng kotse. Pero if yung kotse malakas naman, once we do the hip replacement and put the implant in, majority ng mga patients, yun po yung 98% is pag na hip replacement na, makakalakad naman sila. Lalo na ngayon, we have very minimally invasive techniques gaya ng mga minimally invasive hip replacement. I do the anterior hip replacement where you don't cut muscle, and then hopefully you can see the patients walking naman po na hindi naman sila na totoo na hindi nakakalakad after surgery.